Good morning, students. Coming to the next topic, what we are supposed to study is how we are coming very closer to the subject. Okay, how statistics helps to study economics. This is the important point what we have to study in this chapter is how the statistics helps to study economics. Okay, statistics is a part and parcel of economics. Statistical information and methods are widely used in many fields like business, engineering, social, physical, and natural science. Almost every aspects of human activity are based on statistical measurement. So as it is told, statistics is a part and parcel of economics. So statistics goes hand in hand with economics. If there is no statistics, there is no economics. So economical facts are expressed in terms of numbers, that is in case of statistics, data. So it is very important. Economics must have statistics because each and every thing what is happening in the economics will be recorded in terms of numbers, that is in case of statistics. So it is very important. The statistics is a part of economics, or economics is a part of statistics. What is happening in and around us will be recorded. Economy is nothing but in and around us what is happening, correct? What is happening in our everyday life, or birth rate, death rate, then diseases, particular diseases, whatever it is happening, it has to be recorded by the government, correct? By the government of India or local governments will be recorded. That is called statistics. So a statistics is part and parcel of economics. Okay, statistical informations and methods are widely used in many fields. So we have different methods, we have different tools, statistical tools. Okay, like business. In case of business, what do we do? In case of business, why the statistics is used in order to know the business cycle, when there is a peak, when there is a recession, when there is a recovery stages. Okay, everything what we study in case of business, which statistics helps in case of business. Okay, then in case of engineering, what is going to happen in case of engineering? They are going to study in case of engineering statistics, how it helps. That is by studying the risk management or study of different things. Say, for example, while constructing a building, you want to know or how what is the height of a building. That all can be studied in case of engineering. Then social is demand and supply. In case of social science, what is happening? Demand of a particular product, price of a particular product is raising. When the demand is increasing, whether the price is also increasing or not. When the price is increased, there is a demand or not. That has to be studied in case of social life. Then in case of physical and natural science, what we study is uh, effect, cause and effect things will be studied in case of natural science. So almost all, that is every aspect of human activity, that is economic activity and non-economic activity, that we have studied in the first class. Economic activities are those activities which is concerned with the monetary transactions. Okay, so are based on statistical measurement. So it is called as how the statistics helps to study the economics. We'll study with the help of different points. Okay, first one, statistics helps in simplifying the complex data. So to make the data very simple, to make them understandable, statistics helps. The economical facts and figures will be put it in a different forms, as we have discussed in the last class, probably in case of tabular form, probably in case of words, probably in case of graphical form. To make it very simple, statistics helps. Correct? So that is why the statistics helps in simplifying the complex data. The next one is statistics helps in formulation of policies. Formulation of policies. As we have discussed in the last class, that is collection of data. After collecting, what they do, they organize the data. After organizing, they present it. Then they have to analyze. After analyzing, what they do is they formulate the policies. So as I've told you in the last video itself, it is very good to know that because of Modi government, 25 to 30,000 of people have come above the poverty line. So what they do is they collect the information regarding the poverty in India. That is, how many number of people are there below the poverty line. So what has to be done for that? So they'll bring out different policies. They bring out, say for example, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. So these are the policies. Say for, that means the employment is given to the poor people in order to help to have their basic necessities to fulfill their basic necessities. These are the different employment opportunities will be bring out by the government. So that is why the statistics helps in formulating the policies. Import policies they'll bring out, export policies they'll bring out. So different policies and procedures will be bring out by the government. So statistics helps in formulating the policies. The next one is statistics helps in forecasting. Forecasting is nothing but predicting about the future, correct? Predicting about the future. What has to be predicted, where it has to be used, correct? Where this bhavisha has to be told, correct? It is also predict, the statistics also predict the future course of action. That is, I'll tell you, I'll give a best option or example, sorry. Coming to 2019, the population was 1 crore 35, sorry, 135 crores. Okay, 135 crores. So based on this information, how many number of products has to be produced will be decided. So based on the information which we have collected in the last years, based on that, we are going to produce a particular product. So we are going to forecast population would be so much or would increase by 30% of this. Correct. So statistics helps in forecasting. Coming to the next one, this is most important uh, importance of statistics. That is, statistics helps in comparing different set of figures. So comparison is one of the important characteristics or importance of statistics, is one main functions of statistics, because after simplifying the data, it can be correlated. So after simplifying the data, it can be correlated as well as compared. Say for example, comparison of data of different region, period and conditions, etc. Okay, comparison of data of different region. Say for example, the rainfall which occurred in a particular region in Bangalore when compared to the rainfall which took place in case of Mangalore. So it differs. Based on that, they're going to compare, or the production of a particular product of one region or demand of a particular product in one region and demand of a particular product in different regions. There is a comparing the different set of figures. Okay, so that is what statistics helps in comparison. It helps in comparison by using different statistical tools like averages, then ratios, then percentages, etc. Okay, coming to the next importance or the functions, that is statistics helps to test and formulate the theories, helps to test the theories and formulate the theories. When some theory is to be tested, the statistical data and techniques are useful. New theories, probably new theories, it helps in formulating and testing the new theories. Say for example, whether the cigarette smoking causes cancer, whether cigarette smoking causes cancer, or when the demand of particular commodity increases, whether or sorry, the price of a particular product increases, whether the demand of a particular product increases because of that, or if the income of a particular family increases, whether the expenditure will also increase. So based on that, they formulate the theories. So they are going to test and formulate theories. Okay. To the next point, statistics helps in presenting fact in a definite form. So what is this definite form? So every fact has to be uh, presented in precise or meaningful manner. Correct. The statistics, the definiteness will be achieved by concluding in a exact manner. That is, in case of yeah, as I've told you, numbers, numerical data commands more faith rather than words. Correct. So the definiteness of the data is achieved in case of statistic because it is expressed in terms of numbers. Correct. So statistics helps in presenting the fact in a definite form because it is going to present the data in numbers, numerical form. So it will be definite and meaningful. The next one is statistics studies the relationship. It helps in studying the relationship between the two variables, that is demand and supply, demand and price, income and expenditure. So likewise, it is going to study the two variables at a time. Clear? So these are the important points which has to be kept in mind. So how the statistics helps to study economics. So coming to the activity, write any two resources which have alternate uses. Alternate uses. Okay, you know what are the different resources we have in and around us. So please write two resources which have alternative uses, because write this in the statistics books, that is the economic part of statistics. In that notebook, please write these questions. Okay, write any two resources which have alternate uses. The next question is, make a list of activities in a bus stand or a marketplace. How many of them are economic activity? As we have discussed, what is economic activity? Economic activities are those activities which are concerned with, which have the monetary values, where there is a buying and selling of particular goods is there arises the economic activities. So please make a list of, there is 5 activities at least in a bus stand or a marketplace. How many of them are economic activity, and 5 non-economic activities has to be written. Clear? Thank you.